This is a winding machine made specifically for winding material from two separate payoff spools onto a new spool or mandrel, where the machine provides separate tension control for each payoff as well as reversing capability for each payoff. The system includes a recipe-driven interface where you're able to input all the parameters such as dimensions, speed, and tension for what you're winding onto for each spool or mandrel, and it will hold thousands, literally, recipes for various items to wind onto. It can be controlled automatically or run automatically, such as it is right now. It's going very slowly. It's going 2 meters per minute, and I can adjust that on the fly. Or it can be operated using a foot pedal if I pause. And by the way, I can hit unwind. You'll see it going backwards. It unwinds slowly. The intent of the machine is for winding magnetic material with an operator's assistance to produce a very precisely wound coil. So that's why the motions are slow. You have the foot pedal, you have the reversibility, so you have complete, operator controllability. So if I pause it again, I can go into foot pedal mode, and there's our foot pedal down below. Oh, still going backwards. That's why it's not going. Okay, there you go. So now I'm controlling the speed with the foot pedal. I can vary it, very slow, speed it up. I can still unwind if I need to. Oh. Hit pause first, then unwind. And again, it's via the foot pedal. I can go faster or slower. Go back into just the automatic mode, which is just using the speed that's in the recipe. The winding mandrel is carried and turned by a servo motor driven traverse unit with a servo drive. Length is tracked all the while, and it's a simple machine. It provides a very specific purpose.